Alright, let's simplify this expression. Simplify the square root of 80 plus square root of 20 minus square root of 45. This is how we solve this question. Let's begin. Solution. Square root of 80 plus square root of 20 minus square root of 45. First of all, let's remember the rules of sort that says that if you have something as root AB, it is same as saying root A times root B. So this in this expression, so we are going to split it in this form. And we're going to use for two numbers that multiply together, we can multiply together to have 80. For example, we can say 2 times 40 is 80. We can say we can also say 16 times 5, it is what? 80. And which of these is the correct pair to use? Remember, when you are simplifying sort, one of the square root, whenever you want to split this into two, one of these is going to be a perfect square. Since neither 2 nor 40 is a perfect square, we are going to go with this second option. 16 times 5 is what? 80. It's going to be the square root of 16 times 5 plus the square root, we can see 10 times 2, it is 20, 4 times 5 is 20 also. 10 is not the perfect square, 2 is not the perfect square, but 4 is, so we are going to use this square. It's going to be 4 times 5 minus, we're going to minus it as, minus 45 is 9 times 5 is 45. We're going to have 9 times 5 to be 45. So we are going to split this now. It's going to be root following this. If you have root this times this times this is going to give you separately. So it's going to be square root of 16. Square root of 16 times square root of 5 plus square root of 4 times square root of 5 minus square root of 9 times square root of 5. So what is square root of 16? The square root of 16 is 4. This will be 4 root 5. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 times root 5 is 2 root 5. Minus square root of 9 is 3 times root 5. Since all these are having common thing in them, so we cannot subtract this. So since it's going to be 4 minus 2, 4 plus 2 minus 3 root 5. We only need one of this. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. That was 3 root 5. So when you simplify this expression, this will be our final answer. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.